Today we are in Heraklion, and exactly we are at the harbour, and it's a very special day because today they are cleaning the waters here from some items which are inside the water, and they are professionals with special equipment like here. And a few meters in front of us is a small truck which have many items. I tried to catch it. Here you see a wheel inside the truck. They did this almost in every harbour here in Crete, and not only at the beginning of the summertime. So they tried to clean in a way the harbours from many, you see here, yeah, and the water is very dirty. And what we have here, look at this here. You can find almost everything here. Oh, here's another one. Wow. Amazing. There's some more things here. Imagine if they don't, if they would not clean the waters, how many things there would be inside. Exactly in front of us there's the fortress CRETE, and the beauty of the boats, of course. And have in mind that Heraklion is the biggest city in Crete. And I'm sending from here my love and my greetings to all of you.